BMW 12 GS Engine Shield. The supplied hardware is 2 M5 by 45 millimeter long Allen bolts plus washers, 1 M5 by 30 millimeter long Allen bolt plus 1 washer, and then we have corresponding spacers. The 2 long spacers go with the longer bolts, short spacer goes with the short bolt. The tools we're going to be using, Torx T25 just to remove the OEM bolt, and then a 4 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key, ratchet plus extension. So you can begin by removing 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, and this is with the T25 Torx. Okay, so this is how we're looking. This bolt's out, and this bolt is also out on the far side here. Okay, so start with either one of the top sides. So you have washer and the bolt here, and then a spacer on the back side. And then just hand thread the bolt in. You don't need tools. It's very important that you're not using tools at this point. You want to make sure that the bolts are threading in nicely and easily. Spacer on the back side, and a short bolt, short spacer combo. Put it through. And the reason why you want to leave the top bolts loose is just so that the lower mounting bolt is going to be able to thread in freely without, again, any tension on it. And then you can slowly begin to turn the bolts. Do not crank one bolt all the way, just do this gradually. Once it's all done, you can double check all 3 bolts once again. After a test ride, you can go for 100 kilometers or 80 miles, up to you, and then double check that they are nice and snug again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can also call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.